Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shauna here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how I highlight and contour on my dark skin. And I do want to let you guys know before we get started that there is multiple different face shapes, and based on your face shape, that's how you should highlight. Normally that's how you should, but you know, not everyone does, and it's based on your preference. There is round, there's square, there's rectangle, there's oval, there's heart, and there's diamond. Those are the major ones, but I know that there's more. I think I was looking at a chart the other day, and that chart had multiple other, you know, different types of ranges, but these 6 are the majority of, you know, most people. So based on these charts, you can go ahead and follow this. If you don't know, you can use this as a base guide to highlight and contour your face. Now, if you guys want to see how I contour and highlight on my round, dark skin face, keep on watching, and I really hope you guys like this video. Okay. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be using, to first contour my face, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Color Stick. And this is going to be in the shade C18. Now, where you want to apply that contour, you want to go ahead and just do your face like this. Now, right above where you know, do the pop-up face, or they call it the fish mouth. So wait, where you do that, you want to, right when you do that, you want to just go ahead and just define that look right up here. It's gonna be like a couple millimeters right above, you know, where your lip actually starts right here. And for dark skin, we actually have a natural highlight. We actually have a natural highlight and contour. And I realized that, but I'm like, why does my face look like that? But I actually learned to realize it's because I'm dark skinned. You know, based on how the sun hits you and you see that, you know, those defined shapes right there, that's how you know that, you know, that's where you need to contour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a few dots of this. Now I'm gonna head and start blending. Now the blending brush that I'm going to be using is going to be the Sculpting Face brush right here. So I have to move my hair out the way, so my hair is going to be, you know, getting brushed up too. So I'm going to just start brushing upwards, okay? Okay. So you naturally have that highlight and contour, both sides. Now I'm going to go up against my nose, and I'm just going to just dap it out first. Because honestly, I know that I want to highlight and contour my nose, but I don't want to do it too much defined. You know, then it kind of looks like, it doesn't look natural. It doesn't look, that's how I like my makeup. Very natural looking sometimes. So I'm just going to be doing, just go ahead and just go up. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. What I'm going to be using is my Coco matchstick. And I'm just going to swab it like how I seen Rihanna swab it on the back of her hand. And this is in shade Coco. Well, yeah, Coco matchstick. So right there. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Sometimes I like to use my hands. Only because I know that, you know, it's not going to be smudging too much. Now, normally what I would use if I want to go ahead and apply my concealer, you know, I'll go ahead and actually use my buffing brush. And this is from Techniques. So, you know, I'll just show you guys how I use it. I'm just going to stroke it upwards like so. And then with this, I'm just going to pat it out. You can either use your hands, whatever, you know, kind of brush you decide to use. I would just make sure that it's like a medium, not too small kind of brush. You kind of see I do the fish stick look, but yeah. So you want to blend that out completely to where you actually don't really see the line too defined so much, and you can just go ahead now and just brush it out, stroke it out. And do the other side. Like so, like that. And then you could just go in if you want to. I'll just go in and pat. Alright. The most thing that you want to make sure that your makeup is fully blended out. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and bake really quick. And what I'm going to be applying is my e.l.f. And this is my e.l.f. translucent powder in the color Sheer. I didn't want to apply too much, but it looks like it actually has a lot on the other side. But we'll fix it. Okay. Oh, that's a lot, but the good thing about this, I like to apply some down here. Now realize that I've never put anything down here. It's because that I realized that based on my face shape, you're really not supposed to put anything here, but you know, it's up to you guys. It's totally your preference because it's your face, your body. But just for this video's sake, I'm not going to apply any here. I normally don't, but you know, I'm not going to apply. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, you know, just to be honest. But you know, sometimes I don't like to apply it because I don't, sometimes it just doesn't look right. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm just gonna let this bake for a little bit. So while that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and actually apply my blush, and it's gonna be the color Ambering Rose. And I'm gonna be going ahead and using my face angled brush. Now I use this I actually got this brush off of Amazon for like, it was like a whole pack, and it was like really cheap. So I don't remember actually the name of it, but yeah, I got this from Amazon and it was in a collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dab a little bit on my brush here. And this is actually gonna be a shimmering kind of blush that I'm using. So just hope you guys could know that as well. And last but not least, I'm going to be going ahead and applying my highlighter. This is actually my favorite part of the makeup because you have to actually make sure you do it right. So this is going to be a baked highlighter. The brand is called DLS. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag. And I went ahead and I think I did actually do a review. I'm not sure what month that is from, what Ipsy bag month is from. But I did go ahead and let you guys know I did get this from my Ipsy bag. And this shade is called Soda Pop. So if you guys want to get that, you know, you guys can. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. The brush that I'm using is gonna be a bronzing brush, and this is by e.l.f. as well. I got this brush from Walmart. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe a little bit on here. Now it's very pigmented, just to let you guys know. I'm just gonna go ahead and just right here, I like to apply my blush. So I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, now I know I've seen some people just apply some blush right here, right here, and then of course apply some on their nose. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using like one of my poof brushes. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off all this excess powder. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and spray. I'm going to be using my Illuminating Mist Set spray from e.l.f. Shake it a little bit. Woo! 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 I think I sprayed a little bit too much. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm going to let this like soak a little bit, you know, and get a little dry and stuff. So alright guys, so this is gonna be the finished look. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below, and be your own kind of beautiful today. Bye guys.